how to change your YouTube name on your YouTube account. So we're going to go ahead and open up the YouTube app. Once you're logged into your YouTube app, you want to go ahead and click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner. And then now you want to click on the first option that says your channel. Now I'm going to be brought up into your channel where it says my name is How To Guru. And then if you go ahead and click on the pencil icon on the right hand side, you're going to be brought into your channel settings where at the very top it says name. You want to click on the pencil icon once again. So that account didn't actually work because it was a verified account, meaning I can't really change my name that easily. So now I have switched to my other account. So I have now switched into my other account. So again, just simply click on the pencil icon, and then you're going to be brought up to this page where it says name. Simply click on that right over here and can delete your name, and you can change your name to whatever you want. Once you have your desired name, simply click on the save button on the bottom. And then now, as you can see, my name has now changed to Bob Snot. However, one thing to note is that if you want to change it again, you're going to actually have to wait 14 days. As you can see, it says changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So you can also change it one more time, just like that. Click on the save button. And then after that, you have to wait 14 days to completely change it to something else.